Hello there, today I'm gonna share Asus ROG Phone 5 live wallpapers. The link to download them is below. You'll also need this video live wallpaper app to apply them. Just open the app, select the wallpaper from your gallery. Make sure to disable loop video and enable keep aspect ratio feature. Then select set live wallpaper and you can apply it on both home screen and lock screen. If you're using a MIUI device, you won't need that app. Just open the live wallpaper from the gallery, tap the three dot icon, set live wallpaper and tap apply. If you like this video, don't leave without subscribing. Have a good day.